This clip demonstrates how to create an L-PROXY project with static network variables and manual connections. After opening L-PROXY Configurator, you have to switch from simple to advanced mode in order to create static network variables. Go to Settings and select Project Settings. Activate the CEA 709 tab and switch to advanced mode. Just click OK to finish. Now click the button Connect to a device using FTP mode. Enter the IP address and the operator password and use the button Connect. Now you can define static network variables on different ports and create manual connections. For example, create an alarm connection connecting port 3 and port 4. Start by making port 3 the active port. Select the according data point folder and move the cursor to the window data points. Now click the right mouse button and go to New Data Point. Name the static network variable, for example, NVE alarm. Select the right SNV type. Define the right direction. And click Create Static Network Variable. Now change the active port to port 4. Select the according data point folder and create NVO alarm the same way. If you want to pass the engineering of the project related to port 4 down to another person, you can now create a landmark device interface file. Select the port folder, click right mouse button and go to Build XIF. Select the right transceiver type, which is IP852 for this port. Click OK and name the file, for example, port 4. Click Save to proceed. Now this file can be integrated offline to another project. In order to create the connection from port 3 to port 4, you have to switch to the Connections menu. Click the button Add Connection, select the new created connection, and use the button Select Hub. Select the right data point. For this example, this is NVE alarm on port 3. Just click OK to finish. Now go to Add Target and add the target data point. For this example, this is NVO alarm on port 4. Click OK to proceed. Now you have established the connection. Finally, click the button Download Configuration to save the changes to the device. A dialog box opens and shows all important details. Port 3 and port 4 have been changed offline and therefore a new model number has to be assigned. The model number consists of the last 2 digits of the program ID and has to be changed when the static interface changes. Click OK to go on and use the Start button to download the configuration. Click OK to finish, and after all, you can go back to the data point menu. Now you can make the engineering of the project related to port 3 online. You can hand the generated EXIF file of port 4 over to a colleague and the engineering can be done offline.